Welcome to 2-Minute Math Videos, helping you learn some math in about 2 minutes. Math puzzle, a string girdling the earth, going around in circles with a well-rounded puzzle. Now let's join Professor Skeptic's office hours.
Hey, Professor Skeptic, I heard a good joke. Want to hear it?
Okay, Bano. Now puzzles make you think.
I like puzzles. Me too. My family always puts together a huge one over Christmas break.
No, not that kind of a puzzle. Here, I'll show you a good math puzzle. Imagine a string encircling a soccer ball. The diameter of the ball is 22 centimeters. The length of the string is the circumference of the ball, which is pi times the diameter, or 69.1 centimeters. Now imagine increasing the diameter by 10 centimeters, so that the new diameter is 32 centimeters. The new string length, or circumference, is pi times this diameter, or 100.5 centimeters. The string length has stretched by the difference, which is 31.4 centimeters. Now imagine a string girdling the earth. The average earth diameter is over 12,000 kilometers. The length of the string is pi times the diameter, or about 40,000 kilometers. Now let's stretch the string so that its diameter is increased by 10 centimeters. How much longer is the string?
I don't know. I'd say probably like 300 kilometers. I'd guess about 1,000 kilometers. I think it would be a little smaller, maybe only a few meters.
Actually, the answer is 31.4 centimeters, the same increase we had for the soccer ball. In fact, the answer is the same for a sphere of any diameter. I'll explain it using variables. Starting with D1 and L1, we know that L1 is pi times D1. For the larger diameter D2 and L2, L2 is pi times D2. Let delta L be the increase in length, which is L2 minus L1. So delta L turns out to be pi delta D. So the increase in string length depends on delta D only and is independent of initial diameter D1. As you see, D1 has dropped out of the equation. Thus, for a soccer ball, or the earth, or the sun, or any other sphere, the increase in length is pi times delta D. Since delta D is 10 centimeters in both of our examples, delta L is 31.4 centimeters.
Thanks, Professor. That's a well-rounded puzzle. I still find it hard to believe.
That's what makes it a good puzzle.
That puzzle is even better than my joke, dude.
Of course it is. And don't call me dude. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.